Invest in the market like a pro with these hot tips. You may have heard a lot about the stock market over the years, but you might not know how to get started. Trading on the stock market does have a learning curve, but the tips in this video are meant to help you with your investments, whether you are a pro or a novice. Keep watching for some tips that will help you invest well. Like a lot of things in life, there is a risk involved with investing in the stock market. However, if you first invest your time in educating yourself about stock investments, you can minimize that risk. The first step in minimizing risks is to acknowledge that risks are involved. With education and research, it is possible to realize an annual return of 10 to 15% on your investment with very minimal risk. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Understand the risk involved in the stock market. If you are used to investing in mutual funds, understand that individual stock investing is a greater risk. If you aren't the type of person who is prepared to take a risk, stick with companies that have a good financial standing, and that have shown excellent stock performance in the past. It doesn't matter if you are new to investing or you have traded for some time. The more you know, the more resources that you have to draw from, in order for your investments to pay off. Use the tips in this video to put you on the right path to investment riches. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.